All right, guys, we're gonna do a little sorting activity. I know you guys love to cut and glue, so that is what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be sorting using the letters I, N, C, O, and D. D. All right, are we ready? All right, let me show you the different pictures we're gonna do. We're gonna go through this together. So if you see at the top right here, we have our different letters. And then down here, we have some pictures. So we're gonna cut these pictures out and figure out where they go underneath the letters. So your first step, I'm gonna turn it to the side, and I'm gonna do this big, long cut to cut the whole bottom off. And then we'll kind of just have like a shorter piece of paper. So that's my first step, is just to cut this whole bottom part off, just like that. And then you have like a little slip like this. Okay, now I'm gonna cut all of these pictures out. You also need to color your pictures. I'm just not gonna do that right now because I don't wanna waste your time. And I like to take my time with my coloring. So please, please, please do your best coloring on your pictures. You know we don't scribble like 2-year-olds. Like my little girl does. She doesn't know how to color yet, so she scribbles. We're gonna color like big boys and big girls, right? If you don't know how to color, ask a friend at your table, some good colorers in our class. Bradley's a good colorer, Owen's a good colorer, Hayden's a good colorer. We have lots of good colorers in our class. That's just a few that I named. Okay, let me get these snipped. Snip, snip, snip. I like to get everything cut first, so then once I get my glue out, I'm like ready to rock and roll, you know? Okay. So I have all of my pictures. I'm gonna go ahead and stop for just a second because I forgot a very important part. My name. Need to know who this belongs to so it doesn't get mixed up with someone else's. Okay, so we have our chart here, and we have our pictures here, and I have my glue stick here. Take my lid off, get all set, twist it up a little bit so I get a little bit of glue. Okay, let's look at our first picture. I'll hold it up for you. This is a net. Net. Where does it go? Oops. In. All right, let's see what's next. This looks like a calendar, but look at what month. Focus. Look at what month it says. October. So we're gonna put it under O. I think that's right, or should it go under C for calendar? Let me look at these other pictures so I'm not telling you guys the wrong thing. Okay, I think we're good. I think it's O for October. All right, let's see what's next. This is a dice. Dice. It's our letter for this week. Okay. Then we have octopus. Octopus goes under our O. All right, let's see what's next. Here we have duck. Duck. What about this one? This is iguana. Iguana. Goes under I. Oops. Carrot. Carrot. Goes under C. So put it to the side like that. All right. This is cat. Cat. Right. Then we have, this is ink. Ink, and it kind of gives you a clue because you can see the I at the beginning of it. So we know it starts with I. Ink. And our last one, 9. 9. All right. Okay, we have them all glued in. Miss Landry, if you want to pause it right now, it might be a good time so they can see where everything needs to go. And I know sometimes when we're doing activities like this, we lose pieces. What should we do if we lose a piece? What do I always tell you guys? Draw it in. So look at your friends and say, oh, I think it's the duck that I lost. I'm just going to draw in a duck. What if you say, oh, but Miss Landry, I'm not good at drawing. Do the very best you can, okay? All right, I want you guys to have fun with this. Be sure that you color it and use your very, very best coloring, and I will see you guys later.